Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Proton Drive, access secure cloud storage step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or phone. In the address bar, type drive.proton.me and press enter. Wait for the Proton Drive page to load completely. Click the sign in button if you are not taken to the login page automatically. On the login screen, find the email or username field. Type the Proton account email you used when creating your Proton Services account. Move to the password field below the email field. Carefully enter your Proton account password with the correct capitalization. If you are on a private device, you can check the option to stay signed in. If you are on a shared device, leave the Stay Signed In option unchecked. Click the Sign In button to continue. If you enabled two-factor authentication, you will see a code request screen. Open your Authenticator app or find the code from your security method. Enter the 6-digit verification code into the code field. Click Verify or Continue to complete the security check. If Proton asks for additional confirmation, follow the on-screen prompts. After successful login, wait until Proton Drive opens your dashboard. Look at the left panel to confirm you are inside Proton Drive. Check the top area to see your account name or profile icon. If you do not see your files, click My Files to refresh the main view. To upload something, click New and choose Upload Files or Upload Folder. Select the files from your device and confirm the upload. To create a folder, click New and choose New Folder. Type a folder name and confirm to create it. To open a file, click it once, then choose Preview or Download if needed. To access Proton Drive on mobile, install Proton Drive from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app, tap Sign In, and enter the same Proton account details. Make sure you log out from the profile menu when using a public or shared device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.